Hey there, this is Enrico Roselli team, and I want to mention to you about the program from Coldwell Banker Realty called RealVitalize. So look, here's what we know. Homes that are in show-ready, top condition sell 25% quicker and for a higher price. With RealVitalize, you can do some fixing up. It's nothing up front. Could include remodeling kitchens, bathrooms, painting, staging, replacing flooring, enhancing curb appeal. And you pay it at closing, like I said. So if you'd like more details, call or text 954-895-0285, 954-895-0285, Enrico Roselli. Or if you'd like to get a free, no obligation property evaluation, we can get that to you. And if you know anybody looking to buy or sell real estate in this market, if you could send them my way so I could help them. Thank you.